Now we are going to learn more 5 levels of environmental organization การจัดองค์กรด้านสิ่งแวดล้อม 5 ระดับ When you learn this topic you have to know well these words or new vocabularies. So the first one, that biosphere. 2 ecosystem. 3 community. 4 population and organism. You have to know the definitions of each. Okay, so biospheres is the biggest or largest environment. So biosphere, that is mean part of the earth where life exists. It is the global sum of all ecosystems. And ecosystems is made up of a communities of organisms. It consists of all the living and non-living interacting to each other in an area. Okay, so this is the second largest communities. The communities is made up of the population of different species of living things. A community is the biotic part, that means living thing, the group of the living thing. But don't forget very important that it means different type, different species of the living things stay together in an area. Okay, that we call community. And the population is a group of organisms of the same species that live together. Don't forget, populations is a group of organisms of the same species that live together. It's not the same community, okay? Community is the group of the living thing but different. But population is a group of the living things but the same species, the same kind. This is how difference between communities and population. And organisms, easy for you memorize. Think about an individual animals, plants, or single cell life form. I mean one living thing or a living thing, that it means organism. Examples, zebras, 1. So right now, the time to challenge yourself. Please put the number 1 to 5 level of environmental organization in order from smallest to largest. If smallest, you have to put number 1. Okay. If the biggest, you put number 5. Okay. What is this? Millipede. This is for example organism or individuals. Also these two centipede. That means one organism we know well is the single organism, that organism. And the population, I tell you already that it means the group of the living things that the same species stay together. What are they? This is the group of millipede. That means you can say a population of millipede. Just only millipede, only one species, okay? So many millipedes stay together. Okay? This is a population of grasshopper. Maybe more than this now, but only one type of grasshoppers stay together. We call a population of grasshopper. And a population of cockroach. Okay? A population of birds. Community. What is communities? The communities is the populations of different organisms live in the same place, the same areas. But I have told you before, communities is a group of the living stay together, but different species, different kinds stay together. For example, pond communities. We can find out many types of animals. Many type species of animals live together, and many type of the plant live together. Okay, so this is a pond area. So that's why we call pond community. And let's turn back to what organism we can find out in the ponds. Okay, so frog, fish, dragonfly, bark turtles, and beetle, they prefer to live in here because they like aquatic animals, also the plant too. Let's go to another community. See, this is a field community. We can find out many types of animals live in here, and many types of plants grow in this area too. Examples: grasshopper and butterflies, snail. And sometimes we can find out, giraffe, something that. Okay, right? Maybe not, maybe yes, but depend on the type of field. And this is a live litter community. Live litter communities, that it means the leaf falling down from the plants, and after that is latent, that we call leaf litter. When you pick up it, you can find out many living things live under the leaf litter. So, example: centipede, termite, millipede, and earthworm. Lotting log communities. This is the logs. Log is the dead wood. Okay, so you can find how many organisms live around here. So that's why we call lotting log community. What organisms live around here? Okay, earthworm, millipede, slug, scorpion, fungi, and centipede. Bug some. Okay. So another, this is the seashore community. Okay, it means at the beach. Seashore communities. We can find how many organisms around here. There are starfish, crabs, sea turtles, sea shells, and sea worms. Okay. And last ones, for example, gardens community. The gardens communities, we can find how many organisms live in here. Example: caterpillars, frogs, bees, and butterflies, and snails. And another thing I didn't show in here, a single tree, a single plant also is a community too. Don't forget, because we can find out many different types, different species of animals live in a single tree. Okay. Alright, I have many pictures for you. You have to tell me organism, populations, or community. Okay. See this. What do you think? One. Okay. This is a group of the tigers. So just only one species that we know well is population. Yes. And this is we can find out many species of the living things, and the plant live together. This is we know well is community. Okay. And only one organism, a living thing we know well is organism, right? Easy. And this is means the number of elephant. So that it means is population. Now time to do homework. Okay. So you have to draw the 5 levels of environmental organizations on one page of your notebook. This is a for example before that I tell you. Okay. So right now this is definition you can study. I will slower time for you study yourself the definitions of each word. I hope everyone's good luck and submit my jobs homework. Okay. See next time. Thank you.